Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over how to make your Xfinity Wi-Fi faster, okay? And you can even extend the range. Sometimes when you are very far from that range and the signal is poor, of course it's going to be slow. So you place your router in central locations. If there's walls, fireplaces, and other, architectural elements that, impact the signal, make sure nothing's blocking it. So you don't have any interference from other devices as well, and update your router software. And you can go with the long range Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, make sure you get something with a decent quality. You can also use these wireless internet signal boosters. Okay, they're easy to use, they're inexpensive. You can get these and it'll make things faster. You can also use, wireless mesh Wi-Fi options like the Xfinity Wi-Fi boost pods as well. This really improves signal and speed. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.